Hello guys, nung Pasko, alam mo natawa ako. Ito tong prayer na to, prayer sa church ng Danish. Ito. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts, as we also have forgiven our debtors, and do not lead us into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Ayan. Ayun guys, alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, nakikita ko yung reaksyon ng mga ano doon, ng mga nakikinig ng prayer. Diyos ko, makikita mo yung itsura guys, halatang halata, talagang guilty na hindi nila kayang i-share ang bread kung mayroon silang pagkain sa lamesa. Sila yung tipong taong nuknuka ng damot. Di bali nang palamunin mo sila. Di dahil hanong gratis meal. Free food. Galing sa'yo yun. Pasasalamatan nila yun. At yung paninira nila guys, na hindi ko kaya makipag party with Danish people. Honest is, I love to have a lot of friends. Pero sila yung tipong tao guys na hindi mo alam kung paano mo sila pakikisamahan. It's difficult to be their friends, honest, because they are not social. They love gossip. At itong prayer na to guys, makikita mo yung reaksyon nila na madamot talaga sila. Di baling itapon nila sa basurahan ang pagkain, hindi nila i-share sa'yo. Bagkos, sasabihin nila na they want to help me to be okay again because I'm sick as a, crazy person. Honest is, if you say that we have a problems, we don't have food, we don't care, dumang la medicine. Honest is, medicine in Denmark is not free. You need to pay that too. Sasabihin nila, medicine is free. Kapag may cancer ka guys, magkakagkawang gawa sila na bibigyan ka ng free hospital, hospitality daw ng mga ng kaek-ekan. Pero honest is, nagka-cancer ka guys kasi dahil sa kanila. Yan. You have a cancer because because of us. So we need to do is give you free medications. Yes. Diyos ko dito guys. Magpapasalamat ka kasi nabuhay ka sa Europe. Ay nako. Honest is, you can have a miserable life here, especially in Denmark. Alam ko naman na I know that there's European people that they are nice too. But based on my experience, it's a worse. Worse kasi yung taong kaharap ko dito sa bahay na ito, tamang nag-alaga lang ako. I feel like private caregiver without salary, cleaning assistant, yes, at ayun, taga-alaga ng anak ko, but no regrets about that. I love to taking care my daughter. Ang hindi nga ate nanggal sa akin yung anak ko. Ayun guys, ayun yung style nila. Style buloks. Ng bulokans ng buhay nila. At gusto nila ay itali ako sa isang relasyon ng base sa kademonyuhan nila. Diba? Diyos ko, sa ganda kong tingnan mo. Look, I'm not ugly type of woman that they can hold me in my neck to live together with that, like that. No. Diba? Puking ina nga nila. Isa nga silang sindikato na ayaw kanila yung pakawalan kapag hindi ka dead ball. Yes. Neck nyo, naka-neck-neck-neck-neckan nyo nga pala. Neck you and neck you. Neck you ng neck-neckan nyo.